Welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you a very simple and natural way to make fresh millet flour at home using just a few easy steps. Without wasting time, let's get started. So I have my millet which I've already washed, and I have a video on it on the channel how to wash millet. So guys, you can check it out. And after that, I went ahead on my serving tray. I laid a white napkin, so I went ahead to spread some of the washed millet on the napkin, and I'm going to leave this on the sun to dry. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. Guys, after drying the millet, this is how it came out, very dry, and I'll go ahead put this in my blender and blend everything until it is very smooth. We are on all socials. You can watch me on Facebook, watch my short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short as well. The name is Getty Cooks, and it is totally free. Okay, so after blending, I went ahead to sieve the millet flour. This home millet flour is very healthy, affordable, and perfect for porridge, banku, cocoa, and other many delicious meals. And you can just make this with just one ingredient. So quick to make as well. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my new and returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for coming through, for watching my video, leaving a comment under my post. I'm truly grateful, and God bless you all. Okay, after saving everything, here is our homemade millet flour. It came out so perfect. Thank you so much for watching this video.